Steve, welcome to my home here in Vancouver, British Columbia.
I love it. It's so good to see you, John.
Oh, so great to see you again.
Yeah, man. It's been 7 years.
7 years since I was last in New York, and now this time you're in my hometown.
Vancouver.
Vancouver, BC, yeah.
So I have a special recipe. So what I'm going to make is a black bean burger.
Ooh, boy.
It's going to be amazing. Black beans, onion, red pepper, onion, garlic, olive oil, oats, sweet peas. So right now we have the fire between medium and high, and we're going to use 4 tablespoons of olive oil. 3, 4. You just got to be sure all the olive oil goes all around the pan. You see, when you saute the onions, you get a lot of flavor from the onions and the olive oil. I want the onions to get nice and soft. You see, another ingredient we're going to use is sweet peas. So this is about a cup and a half. You're just going to pour it right in. Maybe, John, you do it. You got the big muscles.
That's Thor, the people's man.
I just wanted to be sure we don't leave any beans in the can. We're going to wash them with cold water. This way, if the beans have any extra sodium, you just get the sodium out. Oh, this is going to be a great burger.
And I love burgers, Steve.
All right, and you know
I can't always eat beef all the time.
I agree. You see how beautiful that is?
That is so nice.
So now what we're going to do, the next step is you're going to put the raw oats. The raw oats is going to help the burger to hold together.
Yeah.
So now we're going to add the herbs. So we are using 1 tablespoon of garlic, dry garlic. Dry onion, I'm only going to use a half a tablespoon because we already have 1 onion in. So we have the red peppers here, the red flakes. It's a little spicy. The one you usually, put on the top of a pizza. We're going to put a teaspoon of salt, maybe a half a teaspoon. You know, my most important ingredients is time, love, and care.
Yes.
A little bit of TLC.
You really care about the food experience, Steve, and it shows,
Thank you.
That's why people are so happy when they eat your food.
So now we're going to lower the fire to low. You see, now all the ingredients are combining together. The longer you leave the recipe in the refrigerator, it gives you the body to cook it. You know what I mean? So like if I try to cook the burger right now, it might not hold together well.
Yeah, you want it to hold.
So if you want to put it in a refrigerator like an hour to 2 hours, it really helps you to hold it as a burger. We have the black bean burger right here. We left it in a refrigerator probably about 4 hours.
4 hours now, yeah.
So what we're going to do now, we're going to add a little bit of olive oil. And if you don't have olive oil, you can definitely use avocado oil. So we're going to use 4 tablespoons. You see, being in a refrigerator, it got body, it's thick.
Yeah.
So it will be good to bake. Look at this, you know what I mean? But you see, the key is you got to put it inside the refrigerator. I want the world to become healthier. That's my goal. Well, food.
You'll accomplish your goal.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
That's right.
Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to do 1. We're going to do 2, 3, okay, 4. Okay, beautiful. Exactly how we planned it. 4 in an air fryer, 2 in a fry pan.
Right.
Olive oil, just enough so the burger can cook. Like you gotta cover the bottom of the pan. You don't have to waste any oil. Like maybe 3 minutes on one side, 2 minutes in another side would be perfect.
Excellent.
Okay, so now we're gonna flip the burger. This is the black bean burgers. We have them in an air fryer. They're holding well, I love it. We're gonna flip them over and we're gonna cook them in another side. Altogether, if you cook these burgers 20 minutes in an air fryer, I think in baked, I think you're good. Okay, so we got 50. This is the black bean burgers we're done in an air fryer. We set it in baking and it took 20 minutes. And you see how good they look, perfect. It has the shape of a burger. All right, so this way we're gonna cut the tomatoes.
Those are nice slices.
Yeah, it's like
perfect.
John, you're a very good sous chef.
There you go.
We're a good combination.
Absolutely.
Okay, we'll get the onions. Oh man, this is nice and soft. You know what I mean? It's a beautiful bread. It smells good, you know?
Yeah.
So let's cut the bread, have it ready for the burgers. And you see it's holding together.
Yes.
You don't have no problem with
That is unreal.
Yeah, no
I was
eggs,
wondering how that was going to happen.
No eggs, no flour.
Yeah.
So this is the black bean burger in a fry pan with a little bit of oil. Looks really good. Okay, ketchup. You know, and then put the tomatoes.
Yes.
2 slices of tomato, some onions.
Mmm.
It's unbelievable, you know what I mean? I'm trying to think, like, if you're really missing the flavor of the meat.
I'm not.
It's so good. It might be better than the regular burger we need.
Wow. That's incredible, Steve.
There's so much flavor. Can you believe that happened with a black bean the way we did it?
Mm-hmm.
Good food, good energy.
Every day.
That's it.